Are you looking for ways to make money online? Well, you're in the right place. We've crafted this video to unveil the top 15 strategies to earn a profit right from your living room. So, buckle up and stay tuned to discover the top 15 ways to make money online. Starting with the first 5 ways to make money online. First up is freelancing. If you have a skill, whether it's writing, graphic design, or coding, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr can connect you with clients willing to pay for your expertise. Next is affiliate marketing. By promoting products from e-commerce giants like Amazon, you can earn a commission on every sale made through your unique link. Third on our list is online tutoring. If you're a whiz in a particular subject, you can share your knowledge and get paid for it. Websites like Chegg Tutors make it easy to get started. Fourth, consider selling handmade crafts or vintage items on Etsy. It's a fantastic platform for creatives looking to turn a hobby into a side hustle. Lastly, try your hand at blogging. With a little patience and a lot of passion, you can monetize your blog through advertising, sponsored posts, or even your own products. Isn't it great that you can make money with these methods? But wait, there's more. Continuing our journey, let's explore the next 5 ways. First up, we have online tutoring. If you're an expert in a particular subject, why not share your knowledge and get paid for it? It's a win-win situation. Next, we have affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a product or service and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Thirdly, you can try your hand at dropshipping. This is a business model where you sell products online, but the supplier handles all the inventory and shipping. You simply focus on the marketing and customer service. The fourth method involves creating and selling your own digital products. This could be anything from an ebook to a mobile app. And finally, we have podcasting. If you have a knack for storytelling or discussing interesting topics, this could be a great fit for you. These methods are quite diverse, aren't they? But we're not done yet. And now, for the final 5 ways to make money online. 11th on the list is creating an online course. If you have a unique skill or extensive knowledge about a particular subject, why not share it with the world and earn money while you're at it? Platforms like Udemy or Coursera make this possible. Next, we have affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services of a company, you can earn a commission for each sale made through your referral link. The 13th way to earn online is through dropshipping. This e-commerce model allows you to sell products without holding any inventory. 14th, consider becoming a virtual assistant. With businesses going digital, virtual assistance is a high-demand service these days. Lastly, try your hand at stock market trading. While it comes with its risks, the potential for high earnings is definitely there. There you have it, 15 ways to make money online. Now that you've learned the top 15 ways to make money online, it's time to put that knowledge into action. Remember that success doesn't come overnight. It requires perseverance, creativity, and a willingness to step outside of your comfort zone. We've journeyed from selling products or services to freelancing, blogging, affiliate marketing, tutoring, and more. Each method holds the potential for you to unlock a new income stream and achieve financial independence. The digital world is an ocean of opportunity waiting for you to dive in. So why wait? Start your journey today, and remember, the only limit is your imagination. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more informative content.